Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And as you can see, it is a beautiful wintry, snowy day with lovely powder snow. And we are in Vasastaden, downtown Stockholm. Vasastaden, really one of my favorite areas here. And I don't think I could have picked a better day to go for a walk, because it's not very often that the snow is falling so nicely during the night here in Vasastaden. So yeah, I'm a bit lucky. I had to be here for a different thing, and I was like, you know what, I actually have my camera in my bag. Let's walk a little bit. It's a bit too late to upload it because it's after 5 already. But either I do a late night video for a change or I upload it tomorrow. Let's find out. So chat gang, what's up? How's everyone doing? Yeah, thanks for the support as always. Oh, look at the nice snowflakes falling down. Beautiful. As you can see, there's quite a bit of snow. It was like today and yesterday. Suddenly a change of weather. For the good, I would say, because it's really nice. I am in the last few days struggling with my internet at home in Sollentuna. I don't know why. I've never had problems with my Wi-Fi. I have super fast internet at home. But yeah, I don't know. But I tried to upload a little video today to go online at 5 today, but I didn't manage. Maybe you guys saw it. It maybe showed up a little bit, you know, on YouTube, like as a premiere, but the file actually didn't upload, so I don't know what the problem is, but I'll try again when I get back home. So, where are we? I already said we are in Vasastaden, and this is the corner of Tre Liljor, the 3 lilies. That sounds pretty cool. And there's a little park here with a few e-scooters. I wouldn't drive one right now if I were you, but we're gonna walk along the main road here. It's called Norrtullsgatan. Jajamän, the very nice Swedish expression, jajamän, or even jajamensan. It means something like yes, that's right, or yes, you know it, something like that. You know, it's like a confirmation. Jajamän. Like yes, yes, sir, or something. I don't know. Oh, these guys impress me. Running in the snow. Great job, guys. Here we have a school on the left side, and it actually looks, I don't know if it's visible, but it looks, it's almost full moon. I don't know if it is, but the moon's very visible. And let's walk towards Odenplan metro train station. I think they have a large Christmas tree there still. I'm not really sure when they take the Christmas trees away, but it should be somewhere around next week. At this point they're still here. Well, actually, let's find out when we get to Odenplan, because I'm not 100% sure. It's quite cold. It's about -6 degrees, I would say. And it is, yeah, I think it's just after 5 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. And I'm really enjoying this weather. And in general, I know you guys love snowy walks. Snowy walks and rainy walks are by far the most popular videos on YouTube. Like, if you go on walking or walking tours and then select on views on YouTube, just in general, not even in my channel, just in general, the ones with millions and millions of views are usually the snowstorm videos, the Christmas videos, the light videos, or heavy rainfall videos. Like, there's one in New York with like 10 million views. And you know, Tokyo, places like that. Yeah, so people love to watch from the comfort of their home and see other people walking and suffering. That's basically it. So yeah, that's quite fun. I kind of imagine it's fun. But I personally don't think that's fun. I myself prefer walking in the summer and also even watching summer videos. I don't mind an occasional cozy video with rain, but yeah, I'm not so much into this ASMR thing. So yeah, I prefer more, you know, the visual, like if it looks nice. So I prefer summer. People walk around in shorts and things like this. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't watch so many walking videos anymore. I used to before I had my own channel, sometimes, but not anymore. Actually, this is quite a funny moment. They're removing the Christmas tree. Yeah, see the Christmas trees collection here, and then now they're actually putting them in the van and yeah, getting rid of them. So that's pretty cool. Let's walk around here. It's a big pile of Christmas trees. Well, it's about time, isn't it, to clean them up. Oh, this looks nasty. An e-scooter. Rest in peace. All right. So yeah, I don't think this is going to be super long walk. Well, I've said that before, and then it still ends up to be 30 minutes, but yeah, it's a bit cold and it's a bit late and I want to go home and cook some dinner. I'm actually not with the kids tonight for a change, because that's where I was in the city, because they were gonna sleep at grandmother's house. So Daniel's got the night off. Oh yeah. You know, it's also important to have some time by yourself sometimes. And no, I'm not going partying. No way. I haven't been out for beers in I don't know how long. I don't know why, but I just doesn't really happen anymore. I do enjoy it, but yeah, I haven't been I've hardly been drinking in general last months, even the last year almost, and especially not in the pub. See, there's quite a bit of snow here. Kind of, yeah, I'm not wearing my mittens because yeah, I forgot. I couldn't be bothered to take them out of my backpack, so yeah, I do have them with me. Oh, this is a lovely walk. Like, there was a time where I went to Odenplan all the time. I was really like overdoing it, and I ended up every walk almost at Odenplan. But now, like, it's been quite a while that I walked a lot in Vasastaden, and I kind of missed it. So yeah, I'm happy to be back here. And yeah, around this time it should be quite busy here at the what's it called, the junction. The main street here with Odengatan, Norrtullsgatan crossing. Oh, these guys have been on a holiday. Back to the cold weather. So we're closing in on 20,000 subscribers, so if you're new to the channel, subscribe, it helps a lot. And while you're at it, check out my Facebook group. And sometimes I know I'm like Facebook group, and then people go, oh, Facebook is dead. I know, but Facebook groups are a very good, effective way to market your videos. So it has two reasons. One, it's a good opportunity for you guys to get to know each other, and I think you should use it more. So let's say if you're about to leave for Stockholm and you're by yourself or with a friend or whatever, you want to meet some other people, maybe in the summer, write in the Facebook group like, hey guys, I'm coming to Stockholm. Who wants to join me? Who wants to, who wants to meet up for a coffee? Whatever, go for a walk, or maybe you want to meet me, write in the Facebook group. And the other reason is, it's very good for me to spread the link of the video. So if I have a new video out that I really want you guys to see, I post it in there. And then, yeah, so it's like a reminder to see the video. So yeah, although Facebook, like the news feed isn't what it used to be, groups are still very effective. All right, we are at Odenplan here. And yeah, let's check out over there, maybe the station quickly. No, let's go outside and see the Christmas trees. That's even nicer. See, as I said, it's quite busy here. A lot of buses leaving from here as well. I really like this station. I've said it before in general. I really like what they did to it. Like, normally I'm not a big fan of all these modern arty kind of stuff. For example, these stairs here, you know, it's really nice. Sometimes they have like events going on or promote. Oh, fortunately the camera turned off for a little bit, so I don't know how much we've missed. If it was 1 minute or 3 minutes, but this sometimes happens when it's really cold, so I'm sorry about that. Because I was talking a little bit here, but yeah, anyway. I really like Odenplan, to make a long story short. Oh, looks lovely. Really getting a nice feeling here. Have a quick look at the church here. Yeah, it sometimes happens. When it's really cold, the camera just turns off. This is literally like the 4th time this happens now during my walks. First time it happened was actually Vasastaden. Then it was snowing, but also very cold. And it's very frustrating because I sometimes don't notice it directly. And then, you know, I have a little gap of like, it can either be 5 seconds or 2 minutes. And then I can't really, you know, go into my camera and check it out. Because it's really cold and my hands are freezing, so yeah. It's a bit frustrating, but I hope you didn't miss too much. So anyways, let's go into the station to round up the video. I mean, look at the view here with the moon at the back. Lovely. Cool. Alrighty, let's go in. Oh, that's better. You know what? Let's go all the way to the tracks. Let's go down. Got my ticket here. I also really like the way how the station looks from the inside. Looks really cozy. It's almost looking a bit airport-ish, right? Yeah, it's my favorite station in Stockholm, I would say. And not just because it looks nice, but also because it's a hub. It's very handy to go everywhere, and it's both tunnelbana, metro, and train in one station, which is very unusual in Stockholm. Alright, the next train goes pretty soon. So yeah, I'm going to go up there. The train to Mälaren goes in 6 minutes. Alrighty folks, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this adventure in Stockholm. I see you on the next one. Shout out to the chat gang and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.